My name is Rayon Gayle, and I am a fourth-year student at the College of Agriculture, Science and Education. I'm pursuing a bachelor's degree in animal science. The reason why I chose this program or this field of study is because, one, I love to work with animals, and I'm very passionate about animals. I must say, words can't explain, but what I can do say is that it has helped me tremendously, and I am very appreciative of it. What motivates me? I am motivated by innovation. That is what drives my development to where I'm at today. Well, my future plan or my short-term goal now is to finish my bachelor's degree at the end of this year. And my long-term goal is to, you know, get a job here at Case, continue to work towards the development of the college. Agriculture is important because, for one, it provides jobs, and two, it helps to reduce the trade deficit because Jamaica is in a trade deficit. We import more than we export. Agriculture has surpassed the notion of, a person toiling in the hot sun wearing some brown clothes with stain. Agriculture has surpassed that. Agriculture has reached a stage where it is highly technologicalized, and you know currently no plants are grown without the use of soil. So if you are someone who don't want to get your hand dirty, there is water with water soluble nutrients that can grow your plants, so you don't have to get your hands dirty.